What a beautiful sight. I mean, the greenhouse is gorgeous on its own, but just that it's empty right now, which sounds kind of odd to say, but an empty greenhouse after filling this space every square inch with 3,000 seedlings from February to mid-April, and then selling them all to have only what's left is what I'm planting in my garden. Was the goal, but wasn't sure I could make it. But the reason I did was because I had a great controlled environment. This Yoderbilt greenhouse really accommodated everything I needed to start my seeds, grow out the seedlings, pot them up, and make sure that they were healthy and vibrant and ready for sale on sale day. And that's exactly what happened. And so I could not be happier with the outcome. We hit our goal and have some great plants that are going to my garden right now. So that's the job for today, and even this table will be empty by later on this afternoon.